Hello, welcome back to Beauty Bee and to a really exciting video. I have my Ipsy bag. It came like 10 minutes ago in the mail. Actually, just after I finished filming the last video, I saw the notification that it had been delivered. So here's what the bag looks like this month. I actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. It is this sort of snakeskin print. It has a little bit of a gold sheen to it. I think it's kind of pretty. I don't know how practical it is with this snap closure, but I did that right before the video because it was open in the bag. Now, yeah, not very practical with the snap closure, but oh well. Let's actually start though with a product that I redeemed points for. This is the Beauty for Real gel eyeliner in olive. And here is what that looks like. Give a quick swatch. It's not the creamiest gel eyeliner ever, but it seems pretty usable. I have a Beauty for Real gloss that I'm just okay with, so I don't have an olive liner. I think this will be fun to use. I've really liked the olive liner that I've had in the past, so I think that this will work out really well for me. And now let's get into the products in the actual bag. First up, well, we have a card. Let's see. They have giveaways on Instagram. They're always having giveaways on Instagram though, so nothing particularly notable about that. First up, we have a product from Moly. This is their Moisture Burst Cooling Marine Concentrate Serum. Oh, and they have the directions that I hate again. Apply an appropriate amount of serum along the skin's texture. Exactly the instructions that they had on the watermelon serum, and I hated them. But I did actually like the product though, so let's see what this is. Oh, I like this style of tube with the smaller opening. I like being a little more able to control what's coming out. I don't think that's crazy cooling, but doesn't have scent to it or anything. I'm interested to give this a go. And I like this size of product. This is definitely enough to get a good idea of if something is actually working. But I mean, I don't really want to sort of be stuck with a full size product. I mean, the full size of this is probably what, 1.5 ounces, whereas this is 10 milliliters. This is 1/3 of an ounce. So I like this. I also like the little whale that they have on the front. It's pretty cute. So next up, another Beauty for Real gel liner, and this is in a blue. This is the shade Peacock. I kind of thought that it was going to be, what the heck? I'm twisting it down and then it starts going up. Oh well. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know that it's something I'll wear super often, but it is really pretty. That'll be fun. Yeah, that'll be fun. Cool. And this is another kind of thing that I like getting in beauty in this Ipsy bag, because I wouldn't choose a color like this for myself. I like the color. I think that now that I have it, I will have quite a bit of fun playing around with it. But if I was looking at a display, even if I thought that a color like this was really pretty and it stood out to me, I probably wouldn't pick it up because it doesn't seem super practical. But so far, this is the thing that I'm most excited about in the bag. Of course, we're 2 products in, so, you know, take that as you will. Next up, oh, this is the thing that I chose for myself. This is from Rodeo, and it is their Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. Rodeo is really expensive. They sell this at like Nordstrom and Space NK. So I don't know if this is actually a great deal or if Rodeo is one of those brands that will put together like a bad version of their product, a cheapo version of their product, and give it to beauty boxes, but I'm excited to give this a go. Just gonna get a tiny little bit out. Come on. There we are. Oh, it has an interesting smell to it. Interesting sounded bad, but it's not offensive or anything. It's like a thicker gel. And I can definitely still feel it on my skin. Interesting. I am excited to give this a go. I think this will be a fun product to play with. And this is a reasonable size sample as well. This is a 1/2 ounce, so 15 milliliters. What does this do? Helps define facial contours and add volume to sagging skin. Apply to cleanse face and neck twice daily. I'm not going to use anything twice daily, but I will give this a go using it once daily. 2 more products. Oh, I saw this. This is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Tint in Work. And yeah, I saw the spoiler for this. And I have this product already, so I'm just going to keep this sealed and give it away probably to my sister. I don't think she would not have purchased from Sephora during her birth month last year, so I will give that to her and she will probably have a good time with it. Let me go grab mine though so that I can swatch it and show you what I actually got. So here is my Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Tint, and it's in the same shade and everything. This is in Work. I do like this product. Where do I want to swatch this? Let's go right on my wrist. It's very pretty. I think it wears pretty well throughout the day if I set it down with some powder. It works nicely on both lips and cheeks, but I definitely don't need 2 of them. This product, I believe, is the same size. Yeah, these are the same size. And I mean, I have not used this super heavily, but I have owned it for a 1.5 years at this point, and I've used it relatively consistently. And there's how much product I have left. I have like 80% of the product left. The size we're getting in Ipsy is effectively a full size. I mean, people don't finish the minis. I don't know that I've ever seen someone on like the pan porn subreddit that's finished a full size Milk Blush. So I think this was a nice type of product to get. Definitely the monetary value is there, and I think that it is actually, you know, a nice product. It's a great size, but I wish they would have chosen a shade that was not a Sephora birthday gift just last year to put into this bag. I think that most of the people who probably received this bag had also gotten the Sephora birthday gift, so it's just a duplicate product for a lot of people. And then finally, ooh, this is a sparkling lid quid by the Balm. This looks pretty. I do love liquid shadows. I actually used up a liquid shadow yesterday, so this was good timing. Where do I want to swatch this? I don't want to, let's put it on the side of my hand. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of subtle. Oh, well, I got more product on that side, so it can definitely be built up. This sort of lilac gray is one of my absolute favorite colors. I am going to use the heck out of this thing, I'm guessing, assuming that the formula is good and everything. And I really like the Balm. I mean, I haven't actually tried all that many products from them. Probably tried 5 or 6 things over the years, but I've really liked all the things I've tried. And they're one of those brands that just occupies a little soft spot in my heart because I love the like little vintage thing. They are actually doing work to be more eco-friendly, and they're a woman-owned indie company, which I think is super, super cool. And then let's talk about the item that is probably the most exciting. This was an add-on, and it's a Viseart palette. I got this for $12. I got the Petite Pro 2 months ago, and I really enjoyed playing with it. So when I saw that they had the Petite Pro 3 available as an add-on, I was on that so quickly. I realized in the spoilers, because I always check the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers to see what is likely to be available as an add-on. When I saw that this was available as a choice, I think, for the higher level, I was like, I am going to get up early-ish. Or not get up early, but I'm going to check the add-ons first thing when I get up in the morning to see if this is available. And it was, and I didn't need to get up early because it was still available and add-on second chance and everything. But let's peel the sticker. And here we have the shadows. I think that this color scheme is way prettier than the 2 is. I love these more cool toned mattes. This bright green looks so much fun. That deeper green will be, I think, really nice to play with. I almost thought that was a black in some of the pictures, but no, that's definitely a deep green. Let's swatch a couple of them. I'm gonna swatch this transition shade, the purple, shimmery brown, which isn't really in there very well. I might need to move that around. And let's go with the dark green. There's the finger swatches. And on the arm, not crazy impressive. That one's pretty. That's a pretty shade too. Yeah, I think that'll be very usable. I recall, if I recall correctly, and I think I do, I think that the mattes in my other one also didn't swatch particularly well, but they perform really smoothly on the eye. They don't build up a huge amount of color right away, which I actually really appreciate, but they are buildable and I can get to the level of color that I want, whatever that level of color is, whether it be really, really sheer and soft or built quite up to full color, and they wear well throughout the day. So I am really hoping that these disappointing swatches aside, that these shades will perform the same way, and I'm just really excited. Look out for a video on this in the next week or so. There will probably be a 2 looks 1 palette and mini review on this because I'm excited to play with it. Let's see. Overall, was this a good month? I think so. I mean, the Milk makeup was a little bit disappointing, but I got 2, kind of 3 with the Point Perk. Point Perk? Is that what it's called? I don't know. 2 makeup products that I think will actually be really fun. I could actually see myself using these together. I think that the blue eyeliner with the purple lid, that might be something I need to try. And I got 2 skincare products that I think I will likely enjoy. I did like that Tony Moly watermelon serum, so I'm interested to give the Moisture Boost one a go, especially as we're starting to get into fall and then winter. I might actually save this for a month or 2 because it's gonna get so dry here. It's gonna be so gross. I don't want to think about that, but I might need to save that Moisture Boost for another month or 2. And then I think that this is a great product to get. I'm interested in trying Rodeo. I don't know that I could ever buy another thing from them, so this is my shot, and it seems like a nice product. I'm excited to see what it does for me. I think we've all heard the details on Ipsy, but just in case you haven't, it is $12 a month. Shipping is included. You get 5 sample size products. They say sample size. I have generally gotten like very deluxe sample sizes to full size, and you get a bag every month. They're usually kind of ugly, honestly. This one's a little better than average, but the bags aren't really a selling point, at least for me personally. And I will leave my sign up link down below. It's not affiliated or anything. I would basically get the equivalent of enough points to buy one of these like eyeliners if you chose to sign up through that link. So please don't feel pressured at all. It really doesn't make that much of a difference to me. But if you were gonna sign up anyway, I would strongly recommend seeing if someone has a code that you could use, because hey, some of the point perks are actually kind of fun sometimes. Usually not. They're usually pretty disappointing. But there we are. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I really have fun doing these unboxing videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Thanks again. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed, and I really hope that I will see you next time. Bye!